Yung mga halaman po, sabi ko sa and friendly in the flowers, and then their place will understand these flowers. And then we look at these flowers and this flower, in this orchid, in this orchid, and this sunlight and the flower will walk in this and that. And I wish you will watching this video. And and their flowers is good, and this orchid, and here this this leaves is very good to our health and environment. Thank you. I will wish you watching this video.